Hi my lovely people, welcome to a fabulous fashion video. You all know that I create fragrance, beauty, fashion, lifestyle content on my channel, and I focus more on the beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content on Tuesdays. I upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursdays, and you know that Tuesday is usually my day to upload fashion, lifestyle, and beauty content. So today I have for you a very exciting unboxing. It's a Chanel unboxing, and it's something that I have been trying to hunt down for months now, since the spring summer collection came out in like February. So yeah, I was one of the first people to jump on it. I worked with my Chanel advisor, Chanel SA, but even she couldn't find what I wanted because they were already promised before they even arrived in stores, you guys. So you know what I'm talking about. I'm of course talking about the most highly in demand Chanel bag this year. Of course, it's the Chanel Heart Bag from the 2022 spring summer collection. So this bag came in 5 different sizes. I will get to all that information here in a second. So if you want to see the unboxing of my Chanel bag and hear all about the collection and, you know, different sizes and my thoughts on this particular one that I got, just continue to watch. So you guys, I did it. I got a hold of a Chanel heart bag in black, which is the hardest color to find, the hardest one to hunt down. You guys, you wouldn't believe how expensive they've gotten on the resale market. You know, the cheapest place to buy Chanel is from Chanel. You know, when people resell Chanel, they go at least $2,000 more than the original price. Chanel just sold it, what, like 2-3 months ago, right? It's insane, you guys. Chanel has created that market, you know, with their ways. So anyway, it's actually, I gotta say, it's not me, it's my lovely, wonderful husband who hunted this down for me. He got a hold of one, but he had to pay a pretty penny extra for it because this came from, you know, this is brand new actually, but this was bought, you know, from a reseller. So he had to actually pay, let's see, originally this bag sold for $3,500. This is the second largest size that the hard bag came in. So that sold for $3,500, you know, from Chanel. Chanel sold it for $3,500, but my husband had to pay $5,500, almost, like I think 54 something. So it was almost $2,000 more expensive. Ouch, I know. That's just how it works, you guys. I tried and I tried. I worked with 2 Chanel SAs from 2 different stores here in the DC area, and they all told me, I'm so sorry, you know, like we were out, like it was like the first day of the bags being in the store, and they were already promised and already sold out. After they went down the list and came to me, they were already sold. I mean, they were already promised and gone. Well, it certainly wasn't available in black, which is the color I wanted it in. They had it in like white. I didn't want white because I already have a Chanel, cute little Chanel bag that I absolutely love, a round one that's white. So I just didn't want to buy white. So they had one, but in white, and I just didn't want white. And I would have been okay with like the little lilac one or the powder baby blue one. I would have been fine with any of the other colors except white, and that was the only color they had. Well, they also have I believe like a coral pinky one as well. Several colors available. So yes, my husband got a hold of the second largest hard bag for me, for the price of the largest bag. Actually, the largest one, the large hard bag, Chanel sold the largest bag, the large hard bag, for $5,500, and that's what he had to pay for this one, which is one size smaller. I know, right? It sucks, but what do you do? I just couldn't get a hold of it. He knew just how much I wanted one, and he got this as an early birthday present for me just a couple days earlier, before my birthday. So he gave it to me now because he knew that I would really want to see it and have it actually on my birthday, to wear on my birthday. So let me unbox it right now. So this is actually, I obviously unboxed this, and I kind of did it again just to show you guys. Of course, the camellia. I've already unboxed this. Of course, I couldn't wait, you guys. I mean, I wasn't gonna wait. So I already unboxed it, but I wanted to kind of put it back together for you guys. So this is what the box looks like. I mean, the typical Chanel box, and of course have all this other stuff like the cards and all these things that they sell. But let me just get the dust bag out. Here's the dust bag, and you ready? Here she is. That is the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful second largest size. I'll get to all the sizes and stuff here in a second. So here's the beautiful Mona Lisa back pocket. As you guys know, Chanel bags tend to have the Mona Lisa pocket. Of course, this is the second largest size. There's only one zipper. The largest size, the large hard bag, has two. So here it is, and then also it has a front pocket right here, right there, so you can put something in there as well. The largest one, the large hard bag, is really good, you guys. I really like it, but I really wish they had any because they sold out. By the way, so here's the inside. Okay, by the way, here's the authenticity card. By the way, you guys, I had pro tip with the Chanel only puts the microchip inside of bags that are above $3,500, and this originally sold for $3,500. So this one doesn't have the microchip, but it has the authenticity card. So yeah, this one, it went for $3,500 originally, but my husband paid almost $5,500 for this, the price of the large bag. Oh, man. Anyway, I could have gotten the large one, you know. But anyways, so this has burgundy lining, as you guys can see. It's burgundy, and I believe like only the hard bags and the classic flaps, some of them have like the burgundy lining. And this one actually, right here, if you look, it says made in France. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? It says made in France right there. So the hard bags are made in France, which I really like, because some of the bags, you know, as you know, some of the Chanel bags are made in Italy and other places, but when it's made in France, it's really, really good. It's really nice to see it's a made in France there. Yeah, beautiful. So this one would not fit an iPhone, you guys. Let me grab my phone. So this is my phone. As you can see, it will not fit an iPhone, but the large bag, large hard bag will fit an iPhone. But this apparently, according to my essay, is the most popular, either the most popular or the most in demand right now, the second largest bag. So let me get to that now, the different sizes. So you guys, the spring summer 2022 collection, 22S collection, hard bags came in two different sizes, technically, small and large, but it came in 5 different styles. I will get to it here in a second. It came in 6 different colors, I think black, white, purple, pink, and blue, and gold. So this is the small, of course. Then there was the large as well, but this is like the second most desired style and size, because even though they say there's only small and large bags, there are smaller ones. I'll get to that here in a second. So I didn't even know this existed, but there is a heart bag in a necklace. So that's like the Chanel heart bag necklace. I'll try to find pictures. If not, I won't put it up. If I find pictures, I'll put them up here. So it's like a tiny little cutie little lambskin Chanel tiny little teeny mini weeny bag in a necklace. That was the tiniest. And then I think it's the same size as the arm, the zipped arm coin purse where you put it on your arm. So it's the same thing on a kind of like a wristlet. So they're the same size pretty much. And then what was the other one? And then of course this in another style. I'm missing one other style. And then it came in this right here, the small bag with the, you know, the crossbody type of chain. So this comes in another style too, like, oh, the gold hardware and the black hardware. And then the large bag has two zippers. This only has, as you can see, one zipper right there. But the large bag has two zippers, and that comes also gold and black. So anyway, yeah, so they technically come in like 3 different sizes, I would say, and this is like the second most desired, or actually right now, according to my SA, this is actually the most desired right now. So yeah, this is the color I wanted it in. I didn't want it in any other color. I wanted black. As I said, it has the Mona Lisa pocket, it has the front pocket, and it has the you know, like the main pocket there that I already showed you with the burgundy lining, which is, you know, unique to hard bags and classic flaps. So as I said, it says made in France right there. These hard bags are made in France. And of course the microchip is only there on bags that are above $3,500 originally. I mean, although I paid $55, my husband paid $5,500 almost for this one. This originally went for $3,500, so that's why it's not there. And the lambskin, I gotta tell you, you guys, I'm a fan of lambskin versus caviar leather, because lambskin feels so soft and supple to the touch, and it looks better in my opinion. I really am not a big fan of Chanel classic flaps to begin with. I don't like the double flap thing, you know, it just like keeps hitting you, like it just like, you know, unbendy, like you can't bend it. It's like annoying. I really am not a fan of the classic flaps, to be honest. I much prefer like the mini rectangles or, you know, lambskin bags, rectangle bags. I gotta tell you, this chain feels really substantial and really amazing, and it's of course gold hardware, as you can see, and this is gold hardware as well. So yeah, so you guys, yeah, so that is my cutie little Chanel small heart bag that I got for my birthday. This is one of my birthday presents from my wonderful hubby, and I'm very, very thankful to him. Although I'm not happy that he had to pay the price of the original price of the large hard bag for this little thing. You know, I mean, it's not too little actually. It fits. I put stuff in there. It doesn't fit an iPhone like I showed you. Only the large one does. But it fits like your credit cards, you know, your lipstick, the compact powder. I put my compact powder in there. You can put the compact powder, you can put the lipstick in there, you can put like credit cards, and that's really about it. Yeah, I would say just like your makeup touch-up items, the couple of items, and your credit cards and your ID, that's really all you can fit in that one. So I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and share with you guys my beautiful, beautiful Chanel hard bag, the small hard bag with you guys. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think my husband and I shouldn't have spent $5,500 on the smaller size, or when it was originally $5,500 for the larger size? Do you think, I mean, my SA keeps telling me, like, I told her, hey, I had to get it, like my husband had to get it from like a reseller, you know, brand new. However, it's brand new, but we had to get it from a reseller. And when I told her the price for which I got it, and she thought it was a good deal. I don't know, do you guys think it's a good deal? Well, she thinks it's a good deal because this is high in demand right now. It's even hard to find, apparently, for this price, even the small one, you know. I mean, the large one right now on the reseller market, you guys, like brand new, is going for like 8,000 something, $3,000 more than the original price. How crazy is that? And it's only been what, 3 months? Wait, so it came out in February. Now this is July. Oh my God, it's only been like 4 months, 4.5 months, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's how high the price has climbed on these hard bags. Let me know, chime down in the comment section. Do you guys think it's wise? Like, I mean, I know it is. I know Chanel bags, the value only goes up. Here in like, I don't know, just 5 more months, my little small hard bag would be, I don't know, like going for like $7,000. Who knows, you know, like it's insane with Chanel, you guys. I mean, it is nice. Then I would be owning a bag that's $8,000, $7,000 at that time. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I haven't like completely decided if we made the right choice or not. What do you guys think? I'm just like annoyed that, you know, they were promised to people on the list above me, you know, before they even got into the store. So that's like the part that's really annoying. My SA actually told me that their store, one of the SAs, I have 2 that I work with, she said that the black one didn't even come to that particular store. Only the other colors came. I mean, it was very limited quantities, you guys. And the other store apparently got like 1 or 2 or something, and it was already, they were promised. It's ridiculous, you know, unless you're in Paris or someplace in Europe, like right as it comes out and you jump on like your SA, you know, it's like impossible to get a hold of these Chanel spring summer collection in particular. That's my personal favorite. What do you guys think? Like, I think the spring summer collection is a lot more desirable than the other collections. I always anxiously wait for the spring summer collection to come. I tried last year to get a bag from the last year's collection. Didn't work, and this year it didn't work. Hopefully 3rd time's the charm. Next year, you know, spring summer, I will land one. I don't know. I'll maybe like on the list in a place where I can get it. I don't know. But anyway, it's really difficult with new releases with Chanel to get a hold of their bags, but the value keeps going up though. That's like the one good thing. But yeah, so let me know down in the comment section, do you guys think it was the right thing to do to get this bag for the price of the large one when it's like the smaller size? I don't know. What do you think, guys? Let me know. And do you think it's cute? What do you think? I am going to wear it on my birthday to go out, and yeah, of course, I will add it to my small but very beautiful coveted Chanel bag collection. If you want to see more of these type of videos, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and fragrance videos, just please go ahead and click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. That way you will always, and oh, not just subscribing, you have to click the notification bell. Otherwise subscribing, like YouTube's like, I don't care, you subscribe. You have to subscribe and click the notification bell so they know you really want to see my videos. You know what I mean? That's like the new thing. But anyways, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I post everything before I even talk about them here on YouTube. And of course, I posted this Chanel bag on Instagram too before I even talked about it here on YouTube. So I will see you guys in my next video.